Oh my god, winning! Hey! Can't work. Go outside because winning here. My freedom, that's what I got. I was so full. Oh, Miss Kiki, yes, because winning can't go to work. Lazy. I'm waiting for my co-worker because the office is still. I mean, Cheryl. I hate liars. I hate the liars and the fake people and the fake supporters. That's it. I'm not scammers. I hate scammers. I thought you were not feeling good. Yes, not feeling good, but need to still fine. I was supposed to believe my heart was I was supposed 2 million. The 2 million people in the house. How could I ever let you down? So much to have to learn. What you do for yourself. Sir Pat, welcome back again. Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. I'm waiting for imitation. Hi, Sir Pat. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you so much. Sir John! Thank you, Sir John. Welcome back. Miss you po. Javier. Thank you, Javier. David. Thank you, Sir David. Javier, Lewis. Thank you po. Thank you for the likes. Hello. Hi, Sir David. Gonna rain here too soon. Here soon to out. Here, raining here. Rainy here. Thank you sa likes. Thank you for the likes. The laughter special. I was so foolish. My God. Thank you for the 10 million. Thank you for the likes. Thank you sa nagla-like. Salamat. Thank you so much. Sorry, Kwan. Sorry to do someone who uh, uh, calling me a baby, something blah blah blah. I'm not like that. Maybe you need to go to another wrong channel you join, wrong live streaming channel you join. Maybe you go to somewhere entertain you. But me, I'm not. I don't like toxic jerk like you. I waste my time. Thank you for the video. Oh my God. Sir John. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. How are you, Sir John? How are you po? The love just kisses me. I was so good to believe my heart cries. Thank you so much to join. I'm very good. I'm very good. The hot weather has finally gone. Finally gone there, the hot weather. Here, Winnie here, Sir John. Well done. I guess I should leave. Jerk. Surprise. I know I mean someone to those one. To those, like the fetish. The fetish. Raining here too. Yippee. Raining here. I was so fool to believe my heart cries. Thank you so much for watching 6 million. Thank you so much, likes. Thank you, Sir John. So glad. So glad. Hi, America the Bomb. Hi, Sir America the Bomb. America the Bomb. America the Bomb. I was so fool to believe my heart was. Okay. So friend, your friend. My friend is live streaming now. I don't, Sir Fred, I don't like fake people. I don't like fake people, liars, something like that. Fake people, liars, scammers. My God, I don't like that. Mom Cheryl, yeah, she's not Kuan. Duh. I hate fake people, liars, manipulative, manipulative, narcissistic. You know what? She's something like doing something bad, and then when the realize the people, she's not. When the realize like the friends or people, she's not doing good. That's why they leave, and then she manipulate the story, the situation. That's why she's she's doing that because they are bad to them. Oh my God, I hate that. Like, ano, and the story is, God is, what? You're doing bad to me. What should I do to you? What should I treat you? You're doing bad to me. What should I treat to you? I praise you. I'm begging you to stay. My God. Duh. I'm not friend like that. I don't. It's okay to stay alone. It's okay to having a friends. It's okay just one friend, but real. You're right, brother. Oh my God. Hi, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir John. But she does good UK imitation. Cheryl, put the glass on and imitate. I hate people. Hi, Sir William Warren from the top. From the top.
75 win rate.
Thank you so much for joining.
Okay.
And to those I don't like people, to those someone didn't accept their mistake because nobody's perfect. But didn't accept that you are at the whole, at the whole, at the whole, at the whole one. What is it, comment? Like at the whole story, you are good, and then the other people, you're doing something bad, and the whole story you are good, and then your story is they're bad to you. Oh my God. And you never accept, and you never admit to yourself that you are not, that you didn't mistake. My God, being a good person. Good morning, Guang. Guang. Hi. Super chat, so cha cha, lan cha, dan cha, da, dan, tan. If I make a mistake, I own up to it. Yes. Nobody's perfect. But if we have a mistake, uh, we need to accept and why? Just apologize, not to being a drug someone people, just to better people, just to mean a bitter people to others. My God, being real and being honest, even if you are surrounded just a few people, but it's true, real friends, it's fine. Hello, young lady, you are very first. You are hello, young lady. You are very beautiful. Thank you, Bart Carrier. Thank you so much. I will be the very first to say I am not perfect. Yes, nobody's perfect, Sir Rowan. I'm just crazy. Yes, it's okay for being a crazy, but not a liar. Not a liar, not a fake, fake. Pick people, pick supporter, pick friends. Good morning, Marika the Bomb. Hi, good morning to you. Thank you. Wherever you go, wherever you go, I will be. He is right. You are very guapat lady. Thank you, Sir William. I was so cool to pick people, pick supporters, pick friends. You are welcome. Thank you. Sir Fred, I have lots of people surround me, but my friend, just a few friends. I have lots of experience having friends, something like is coming me before. It's coming before, lying me before, because the gate benefits from me before. So I don't like that. I listen, learn what happened before. Hello, William from Sir Pat. So that's why I appreciate people. For now, I'm at the age of 40. They are right at the beginning of something like it's okay. It's okay to having a. It's okay to what do you call this? To remove the friends. Just the good friends, real friends. I'm a fake friend. Fake friend. You are a fake friend. But Asil, hello from Sir William.
Sure talaga dyan. Dito po buhat.
I was so full to believe. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you so much.
Alisin natin
Raining
yung
here, raining. Raining. Good to see you, Brother Pat, from Sir William.
Ito lang. Malusin na pa. Hindi ko alam. Huwag mo i-dip yun na siguro. Huwag mo i-dip.
Hmm. Thank you for 11 million. Raining. That's why I feel lazy.
Makapag-i-
Ano tabi ako dyan? Maulan na. Thank you so much. I was so good. What? Where could what do you mean? Ha?
Ganun ko muna ang susi sa ano.
Wala man ako didi susi.
Sa center.
Wala man ako.
Say,
Wala man sa ako. Susi.
kaya mama dyan ako.
Ah, sige. Dito kita.
Ba't may dip?
Oh, my coworker now. Here now. My God.
Ano ka lang? Nalulti ka?
Wait, I need to kuan. Guys. Wait lang. Thank you, Brother William. Wait lang po. I guess I should know some of the mountain before it rains. We'll see you later, Mrs. Robert. Thank you, sir. Nagkadito siya ba mag-video? Nagkadito rin? Nakaba? Wala pa rin tayo. Siguro tinakaliw sa tita. Sorry. Uy! Ano? Oh my God, sorry. Oh my God. I need to work.
Uy, wag!
Special ka sa akin. Thank you. Bakit?
Basta namin. Pre.
Hoy. Hoy din. Holyo. Bakit hoy? Bakit hoy naman?
Paprikin. Uy.
Nais kong mayakap kahit sa sandali. Kung pangarap ko tanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko.
Huwag kang mag-favor, sir.
Nais ko. Nakada na ako. I'm going na. I'm going there na.
Ama, hindi naman.
I'm going to work na.
Ano ka lang, barangay.
So, sa Barangay Health Center lang ako. Magandang umaga. Ang ganda mo parang isang batang babae. Bata pa ako. Me young girl. I'm so young. Just 41 years old. Still young. Char. Parang isang batang babae. Oh my God. Nais kong